Dasung is definitely a company that thinks outside the box, more so than any other. They've made a bunch of weird devices over the past little while, including the A4 and the Link. Well, here comes something that is so far outside the box, it's not even an e-reader or e-paper. This is the MING. This is a piece of oil-resistant tempered glass to provide exceptional clarity on books and e-paper products alike. It has an embedded light, and that's actually as much as we know. We don't know how this works because we've never opened it. We don't know how it attaches to the device or anything else. So let's crack it open and check it out. If you guys are asking, what does it do? I don't know. We definitely, honestly don't know. This came out of left field, this thing. It doesn't even have much on the box. It's not a prototype. This is an actual product and it is for sale. It is leaning towards books, as they say, but it works on e-readers because they make a lot of e-paper devices. So you get this nice bag, and it doesn't look like there's anything inside. You get a nice kind of felt suede combination, so that is very nice. It would kind of, be tightened like that. You can carry your MING around with you. Let's see what else is in the box. There's got to be some sort of USB cable. I hope they're not doing batteries. I would hate to see batteries, unfortunately. What do we have in this box? Everything is kind of just stacked with foam. There's nothing else in this box. This is just simply kind of ready to kind of go off to the side. That's it. Okay, I wonder how this is powered then. It might be USB. Okay, it is USB, but they don't give you a USB-C cable in the box. It says you charge right here. Now, this is tempered. I don't know how fragile you have to be with this, but tempered glass, basically what it means is that if you flex this beyond a point in which it's comfortable of flexing into, the whole thing will burst and turn into little squares. That's what tempered glass is, and that's how it's safe for car windows and things like that, because this will turn into little square pebbles where you could almost wash your hands with them and you don't get cut. It doesn't come off in big shards and come and fall down you, hitting you in the gut like the end of Ghost. This one is definitely a lot safer. So it does have a film on here as well, and we are going to take this off because this is the film that came from factory to just protect it during transport. I wonder if there's one on the back, and it seems that there is. Okay, so these are meant to come off. It is not meant to stay on there. And now we have the glass right here. Now, we have to charge this up and we have to get into this in the full review, but we're just doing an unboxing today. I do have some paper here just for an initial look before we get into the ins and outs, how it looks at night with the glow light on, how it looks on an e-reader compared to a piece of printer paper with writing on it. So, just initial thoughts. I see absolutely nothing different whatsoever of holding this piece of paper in front of me in a well-lit room with studio lights and holding a piece of glass in front of it. I don't see any magnification. There's no level of magnification. It doesn't change based on when you move it forward or away, and if you press it up against, it doesn't increase any sort of contrast. In fact, it subdues the whites, so that might be something you can think of as a positive. As you can see right here, it makes it a little bit more yellow. It cuts the white pretty substantially, actually. If you look at a color wheel, I mean, that's no longer white right there. So that is everything that comes in the box. Actually, it's very strange how there was no USB cable. USB cables are a dime a 100 in China at least, and this is where this company is based. But for now, this is everything that comes in the box with the Dasung MING. We would be surprised if it came from anyone else, but this is coming from Dasung, and Dasung does make unconventional products. Not even at times. Most of their lineup is kind of things you would never really think of, but it is what it is. Dasung is a very big player in the scope. We're going to respect the process. We're going to put this on a Kindle. We're going to put it on a book. We'll put it on a color e-reader as well, so stay tuned for that. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.